How social media can help. The table of contents. Slide 3, the presentation. Slide number 4, overview of the company. Slide number 5, products sold in the store. Slide 6, visual presentation of products sold in the store. Slide 7, prices of hobby boxes sold in the store. Slide 8, getting clients through social media. Slide number 9, how can social media help? Slide 10, the risk of social media. Slide 11, a call to action. And slide number 12, references. Introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Lord and I am a social media manager that is seeking to help the next company become even greater than they already are. With my help, a company will go from never using social media to using it every day to keep its customers on their toes and to let their customers stay involved. I will make it to where the owners and the customers will interact even if they are thousands and thousands of miles away from each other. Social media is king and you need it if you want to be successful in the future. I would also like to create an app for your store. With an app, it is a lot easier to navigate and buy things than it will be on the website. We will have the website and the app only because we will not have everything on the app, like our single cards and our lower end hobby boxes / retail boxes. If the app crashes, then we have the website. We will also use the website so we can go live on Facebook and do live sales and open hobby boxes or packs for customers that buy them right there live. We will be connected to Facebook and YouTube, that way just in case one of those sources is having difficulties. Company overview. When it comes to Wonder Water sports cards and comics, they have a great shop with some okay owners / employees. When we own something, we get a little over the top with it. We want it our way and the rules are made from us and us only. So I can see why they are a little uptight, but they need to just relax and take a breath. I don't know how it is with owning a business, but I do believe if I owned a sports card shop, I would run it a little bit better than they do. Water Water is owned by a family that are from Canada, started from a father and son. The son runs the store mainly now with his wife and kids. The father is back and forth from here in Canada, so they only come every couple of months and go back. So I can understand the stress the son has along with his wife and kids because I'm sure it is tough to run a store with just 4 people. What products do they sell? If you know sports cards, you know that they sell, but for those of you who don't know, let me explain. There are a few card companies out there, Topps, Panini, and Upper Deck. Topps and Panini are the upper echelon of sports cards and are worth a lot of money. Like for instance, there is this box, which is called a hobby box, of Topps cards that is worth right around $22,000. There is a very rare and famous sports card out there that is of Honus Wagner and is sold in auction for $6.6 million. So there is a lot of value for old and new sports cards out there. For Panini, their most expensive box is right around $20,000. Pokemon cards are popular right now also. There are cards out there that are worth over $150,000. For those 2 expensive boxes, they are what we call hobby boxes. They have more cards and better value cards than a smaller $20 box from Walmart or Target. Here are a few of the items that are sold in Wonder Water sports cards and comics. Starting with the top left, it is a definitive collection Topps box. That is baseball. You get 8 hits per box, which is like an autograph or a piece of memorabilia from the player. The 2021 Diamond Icons, you get about 5 cards on there, which are all hits. The Tier 1, you get 7 cards, but 3 of them are hits. And then on the far right, top far right, Panini Prism, you get 2 autographs. But those boxes are very expensive, around $5,000 to $6,000 a box. The bottom left is a very expensive Pokemon box, about $400 a box. The one next to it, the Panini Prism Football, you also get 2 autographs in those, but those are nowhere near as expensive as the basketball ones. So those ones are about $2,000 to $3,000. The Panini Select Football, those are also about $5,000 to $6,000. And then you have the lower end one, which is the hockey on the upper deck. Those ones run usually about $300 to $400 a box. Prices for hobby boxes. When it comes to hobby boxes, I put on the previous slide, they range from anywhere starting at $300 all the way up to $5,000. There's a hobby box out there from 2017, which is Patrick Mahomes' rookie year. It ranges from $10,000 to $20,000. Wonder Water does not have that box at their shop unless it is in the back. They do have some expensive hobby boxes for sale, but a lot of their customers do not spend the money on those kind of boxes. I understand they are that local shop that only wants to be local, but sometimes you need to expand your horizon. Social media. In order for Wonder Water to sell their more expensive items, they need to use social media the way it is supposed to be used. To expand their brand/business, that is where I would come in and help. I will become their social media manager and set them up with a better website. They have a website at the moment, but they only sell single cards and no hobby boxes. I feel like that is their downfall when it comes to wanting to expand their business and get more clients/customers. If they had a better website or use social media, they would draw in hundreds of new customers. How social media can help. When it comes to social media, it doesn't matter if your company is local or a big time company, social media can help in every aspect. Social media is an essential piece of your business strategy. Social media platforms help you connect with your brand awareness, your customers, and help boost your sales. There is right around 3 billion social media users in the world, and they just keep increasing every month. The graph to the right here shows, by age, which social media platforms are being used and who is using them. Young adults are driving social media through the roof and how well they know how it works. The risk of social media. There are many risks when social media is involved, but those risks can happen with anything that is handled online. You can get hacked, which is the biggest thing you need to watch out for when it comes to social media. Nowadays, you see just about every 1 in 5 people getting their accounts hacked. Another one that you don't really hear of is your brand getting hijacked. A third party could be out there using your brand's name without you even knowing. Overusing is also a big risk for social media accounts. A lot of your customers will follow you, and if you keep posting something every couple of hours, they will not like it and they could potentially unfollow you. Call to action. What is a call to action? A call to action is a marketing reference to a piece of content, such as an image, button, or text intended to prompt users to perform a specific action. In order to get people/customers to see or visit your website, then you need a couple of ads. Ads can help a lot, but a lot of people have ad blockers on their computer or smartphone. Instead of having those ads where people ignore them, in your ads say click here to go to our app in the App Store. That way it will be easier for them to navigate instead of trying to do it online. Here are my references. Thank you.